Next, let's have an example for tangent function, which is y equals 2 tangent times the quantity of 2x minus 3 pi minus 6. Then the period, which has given formula, which is pi over b. Then copy pi, then our b here is 2. Copy. So this is our period. Next, x scale. The formula for x scale is period over 2. So our period here is pi over 2 divided by 2. Then reciprocal 2 into 1/2, so it would be like this: pi over 2 times 1/2 equals pi times 1 equals pi over 2 times 2 equals 4. So this is our x scale, pi over 4. Next, let's get the phase shift. Which is 2x minus 3 pi. Copy. 2x minus 3 pi. Then equate to 0. Copy 2x. Transpose negative 3 pi, so it will become positive 3 pi. Divide both sides by 2. Cancel 2. X equals 3 pi over 2. So this is our phase shift. And our vertical shift is negative 6. Next, let's do the graph. Let's draw the line here. Then our phase shift is 3 pi, or our starting point 3 pi over 2. Then to get the next point, we must add the phase shift and the x scale, which is pi over 4. 3 pi over 2 plus pi over 4 equals, first we need to find their LCD because they have different denominator. So their LCD is 4. 4 divided by 2 equals 2 times 3. 3 pi equals 6 pi plus 4 divided by 4 equals 1 times pi equals pi. Then 6 pi plus pi equals 7 pi over 4. So our next point here is 7 pi over 4. Then the next point is the same process as we did. Then 7 pi over 4 plus pi over 4 equals we'll get the LCD, which is 4. Then copy the denominator, which is 4. Then 7 pi plus pi equals 8 pi. Reduce to lowest term, which is 8 pi divided by 4 equals 2 pi. Yes. Then our next point here is 2 pi. Then 2 pi plus pi over 4 divided by 1 equals 4. 4 divided by 1 equals 4 times 2 equals 2 pi equals 8 pi plus 4 divided by 4 equals 1 times pi equals pi. Then 8 pi plus pi equals 9 pi over 4. So our next point is 9 pi over 4. Then add pi over 4. 9 pi over 4 plus pi over 4 equals, copy the denominator, 4. 9 pi plus pi equals 10 pi. Reduce to lowest term, which is 10 divided by 2 equals 5 pi. Then 4 divided by 2 equals 2. So this is 5 pi over 2. Then add pi over 4 equals 4. 4 divided by 2 equals 2 times 5 pi equals 10 pi plus 4 divided by 4 equals 1 times pi equals pi, which is equals 10 pi plus pi equals 11 pi over 4. 11 pi over 4. Then add 4 pi over 4 equals, copy the denominator, which is 4. Then 11 pi plus pi equals 12 pi. Reduce to lowest term. 12 pi over 4 equals 3 pi. 3 pi. Then 3 pi plus pi over 4 equals, put 1 here, equals, the LCD is 4. Then 4 divided by 1 equals 4 times 3 equals 12 pi plus 4 divided by 4 equals 1 times pi equals pi. So 12 pi plus pi equals 13 pi over 4. So this is 13 pi over 4. Then 13 pi over 4 plus pi over 4 equals, copy the denominator, 4. Then 13 pi plus pi equals 14 pi. Reduce to lowest term, which is 7 pi over 2. So this is 7 pi over 2. Sa pag-ingon? So this is intercept, asymptote, intercept, asymptote, intercept, asymptote, intercept, asymptote, intercept. So let's put a line here. And our vertical shift is negative 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is negative 6. Then vertical shift minus the amplitude, which is 2, equals negative 4. 1, 2, negative 4. Then negative 6 plus positive 2 equals negative 8. So negative 6 minus 2 equals negative 8. So 1, 2, negative 8. Naroon niya akong broken line. So let's put broken line in the vertical shift. Going back to our equation, our amplitude here is positive 2. So our graph should be like this. Starting point. This. So this is the equation for y equals 2 tangent times the quantity of 2x minus 3 pi minus 6.